Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're discussing basic concepts in Forex trading, the pip. Understanding what a pip is and how it works is crucial in Forex trading. So let us break it down step by step. The term pip stands for percentage in point or price interest point. So the pip is the smallest price movement that a given exchange rate can make based on the market conversion. For most currency pairs, a pip is equivalent to a movement in the fourth decimal place, as I'll make it clear in the following examples. So in this fourth decimal place number, the pip is this last one. Let us look into more example to make it more clear. Let us make an example with Euro US dollar pair. Given 1.1192. This value represents 2 pips, and this one 90 pips, and this one 100 pips. If this was 5, it would have been 500 pips, and if it was 9, it would have been 900 pips. This one represents 1,000 pips. And let's say if it was 3, it would have been 3,000 pips. Okay. If the Euro US dollar pair moves from 1.192 to 1.1193, that would have been a 1 pip movement because the only change is 3. So here it was 2 and here it's 3. So it's only 1 movement. The difference between 3 and the 2, it's 1. So we call it a 1 pip movement. Now, there are exceptions. For an example, currency pairs that include Japanese yen are measured in second decimal place. For an example, currently USD yen is 155.94. So this 4 represents 4 pips, this 990 pips. And the move from 155.94 to 155.98 is a 4 pips movement. But there's also a term called pipette. A pipette is a percentage in point where instead of fourth and second decimal place, there is a fifth or third decimal place. For an example, for Euro US dollar, a price movement may be 1.11921. Notice that there's a 50 digits, which is 1. And for currency pairs with Japanese yen, for an example, USD yen, it may be represented as 115.923. Notice that there is an extra digit there, which is 3, making it a third decimal place. These numbers are called pipettes and are used to calculate prices more precisely. And in most trading platforms, most of price movements are presented in pipettes format. As I've mentioned, in most trading platforms, you'll see prices listed in pipettes format. As you can see here, these prices are listed in the 50th decimal place. And as for Japanese yen currency pairs, you'll see a 3rd decimal place as shown here. So 1 pipette is equivalent to 0.1 pip. So why pips matter in Forex trading? Pips help measure the price changes and are the basis of calculating profit or loss. Let us say you buy the Euro US dollar pair at a price of 1.1060 and the price increases to 1.1080. That's a 20 pip gain. And if you decide to sell, or let's make an example, let's say you sell and the price drops from 1.060 to 1.040, you'll gain a 20 pips for a sell trade. Let us look into a monetary value of a pip to make things more clear. In Forex trading, there are 3 main categories of lot sizes. We have standard lot, which is equivalent to 100,000 units of the base currency. The mini lot, which is equivalent to 10,000 units, and the micro lot, which is equivalent to 1,000 units. For a standard lot, 1 pip movement is worth 10 US dollar. And for a mini lot, 1 pip movement is equivalent to 1 US dollar. And for micro lot, 1 pip movement is equivalent to 0.10 US dollar or 10 cents. Let us make an example. Let's say you're trading a Euro US dollar in a standard lot account. For a 10 pip movement, gain, you will make 100 US dollars. And for a 10 pips movement against your trade, you will make 100 US dollar loss. Similarly, if instead you are using a mini lot account and you make 10 pips gains, that means you'll make 10 US dollars for 10 pips movement. Keeping track of pips manually can be very tricky. That is why a lot of trading platforms like MT4, MT5 calculate pips for you automatically. There are also a lot of apps that can help you to estimate the monetary value of the pips based on a trading size. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching and happy trading. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content.